Hey guys, I'm outside today on the patio, trying to clean it up. So this is like a patio makeover layout video, trying to get everything straight so that everything can be ready for
So I am sweeping off my patio and clearing everything off to create a clean slate for my garden space. As I cleaned, I rearranged items and created three piles, which was keep, trash, storage. This approach really helped me narrow down what I would keep on the patio, focusing on the items that are truly beneficial. So I grabbed the rug from Wal-Mart and I thought this would give the patio a perfect touch. So stage one, declutter and putting down rug is done. Stay tuned for stage two.